Hi there, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, please hit the like button and subscribe. And today what I'm doing is stair treads. I've got to make 7 stair treads, rounded nosing and rounded left side, but not a return, just rounded off. Okay, because there's not going to be a skirt board along the line of the stairs. Okay, it's just a downstairs basement. He wants to improve his treads, right? So I'm going to be making these out of birch, and the process is select your lumber, cut them to length, glue them, planer, sand, router, and off they go. So I'm on the table saw right now, and I'm sort of I'm straightening my glue line joints so I get tight pinching joints. And but first I got to straighten out some of the lumber that's on the table saw. So these were cut to length, right? But I got the arc on them, and I can still get higher up with the bar. Have to figure out now I can put it through the table saw. There's always something like either a stair or somebody or Okay, so I've been working at it for a while. Even though you see knots like this on the top, that's going to be the bottom of the tread, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm just chugging along. I'm trying to save the best pieces for the, it's called the bull nose or the nosing, whatever you want to call it. And since this is the bottom, this is going to be the left side, so I'm going to have to make sure I got nice pieces over here. Okay, and yeah, just chugging along. Alright, so I'm at the gluing process, and what I do is, the underside doesn't matter whether there's defects or not, as long as it's solid lumber and it can hold some weight. And on the good side, like if this was an open staircase where you can see the treads underneath and all around, well, the only place to hide defects is between the glue joints. Defect does not mean a bad board, it just means coloration or something of the sort. Okay, so this is the layout. I can do 3 at a time, and I gotta start today because this guy wants this for Sunday, and yes, you heard me right, Sunday. Alright, so I took my boards, this is the morning after. This is the 4 left that I had, and who knew I could fit 4 in here. I never thought about it. I thought it would be stronger if I didn't, but since I have this center clamp, it's really preventing this from popping up. You know what I mean? Okay, so these are the 3 that I did yesterday that I glued up, and I think the glue's dry enough. It's just a few passes. I won't go heavy on it, and it's been over 8 hours, 9 hours, maybe 10 hours, and yeah, let's see what we can get out of this. Okay, so some gear protection. And my widest piece is 1 5/16, and I can go 1 1/4, not a problem. And I'm running it. I got 2 settings on this: 179 cuts per inch or 96. Soft lumber, you can run it fast, no problem. Hard lumber, if this was strong enough, the faster you run it through, the smoother the finish. But this doesn't have the power to do that. Try, rinse, and repeat. Hopefully this one goes in just as well as the other one. Well, I'm probably a bad hair day, but whilst this was gluing, okay, for the stair treads, I hopped on this and started making this. So I did a pretty good day. I just have to glue that and run it through the planer. So I'll have my seat. It's been sanded 2x6 and 2x8s with 3/8 lags. 84 inches long, 36 wide, 17 off the ground. So, for those who haven't already, please hit the like button and subscribe. And we still have to round off the corners and finish those stair treads. Okay? Alright, so I gotta take a look at this. This is gonna be tread. This is my left side. This is where my return's gonna be. So I'm gonna start off by just squaring off the end and trying to make a return. And if it works without sniping, then I don't have to. I can cut the other side. Now I'm going to get them ready for every one of them, and then I'm going to round off the corner. Then I'll do the sanding, final sanding. Well, here goes nothing. I'm going to hit the edge here where it's going to be cut off anyways and see how it handles the router. You never know how lumber is going to react. I can't hit it bang on in the middle. You almost need a shaper. The best I can do is a fillet. Oh well. So this is what I get for a profile. So, for those who haven't already, please hit the like button and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.